Today in this video, we are going to show you how to fix your Sharp TV if it won't turn on. We are going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. Method 1. The first thing to try here is really the simplest. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient, here wait for the 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. If it's not clear the problem, then let's go on to the next try. Method 2. Remove both batteries from the remote control. Press and hold the power button on the remote for 15 seconds. Then put the batteries back in the remote. Then try to turn on the TV. If it not clear the problem, then let's go on to the next try. Method 3. This is last thing. Usually will do the trick, but this is a factory reset. So we are gonna reset your TV. Go to menu button on your remote. Go to install, setup, go to advanced and click reset. This solves your problems. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.